New Jersey, new coronavirus cases saw a big jump overnight. State officials are calling on FEMA for help with more testing sites. Eyewitness News reporter Cleve Bryan breaks it all down.
68,000.
With more than 68,000 positive cases of COVID-19 and 2,800 deaths, New Jersey remains in the midst of a healthcare crisis, one that they're still trying to assess and look past. But both those tasks have one thing in common.
We need more support for testing. Let me say that unequivocally.
So far, there are at least 66 public test sites in the state, and more are coming online. Tuesday, we toured a new drive-through test site at the Blackwood campus of Camden County Community College that will open on Wednesday only for first responders. We also saw the first walk-up test sites in Trenton.
We know that a lot of members of the Trenton community don't have access to a car.
The walk-up test sites still only test people by appointment only, but they help address the need to reach impoverished communities, which are least equipped to handle COVID-19. Governor Murphy says he raised the issue of testing during a private conversation Tuesday morning with Vice President Mike Pence.
We can't begin to think about reopening unless the resources that we get, in particular the cooperation and resources we get from the federal government, are a lot more robust.
Murphy says while a regional council of mid-Atlantic states is beginning to strategize reopening businesses in the coming weeks or months, he does not believe they should proceed on their own without coordination with President Trump.
There's no substituting for that big gorilla in the room, the federal government of the United States of America. And so I can say with great confidence, we need the administration. We need the federal government and the full force of it.
As officials talk about reopening life after the first wave of COVID-19, the immediate needs remain the same. Getting more critical care capacity, PPEs for those on the front lines, and also taking care of our seniors in nursing homes. In South Jersey, I'm Cleve Bryan, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.